Hi y'all, it's Wolfman Rockstar back with another video. As you see from the thumbnail, I just had my first $100 day. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It happened so fast, so fast. Okay, so let's talk about it. It's all from ads, honestly. So in my first month, everyone's like, don't get caught up in samples, don't get caught up in samples. However, I got invites a bunch, and then I only really responded to ones that either aligned or they had paid. So they'll say, hey, you could create videos, we'll run ads to those videos to get you more money. And this one did, and it's been performing. I made them $1,000 today. I got to take up $110, $120 today, and it's only 9:40, so it's not even midnight yet. So we can still keep going. The commission started off super high, like $6, $7 per um purchase, and then obviously as the more money I made, the more ads they were spending, they slowly got lower and lower, which is kind of annoying. But let's see if I can make like a $200 day tomorrow, 305. Let's see if it keeps performing well enough to keep on. I ran ads, so I don't know the analytics. I could be making this money, but the analytics aren't great enough to keep going, or they'll just keep lowering my commission. We'll see. So far, my first $100 day from ads. So with that being said, join TikTok Shop just to start posting content. If people like it, they're gonna reach out, and you're gonna get some brand deals. I want to call them brand deals because like they're running, I'm making money, but no retainers. So people will run ads. Like there are people, these people contacting me. I did no work. I looked in the invite folder DM thing, and they just said, "Hey, these people literally want to run videos for you," and they just reached out to me like, "Can you make videos for us? I love your videos. We'll run ads." So I just made a video for another company that wants to run ads. I sent it to them. They usually respond overnight because they're probably like in another country, even though they act like they have American phone numbers. So some of them do. Maybe they are legit. They're just overnight, and so we'll see. They respond. Hopefully, they run videos of that product. I think I did a really good video for that I copied from a viral video. So I'm hoping that one does. I liked the video. Like when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I need to create this video, and I loved it. So I'm hoping that video they run ads and that goes well, and I can get like 2 to 3 brands to run ads. I can get $200-$300 a day. I did notice that my views did go down on my organic videos from the ads being ran. So that's a shitty part about it. So hopefully those go up, or they eventually go back up, or they eventually get their own sales. I did have 2 sales today, not from the ads. They're from a whole other video. And then the other 20 sales are from just the ads of that video that was being ran as an ad. So we're going to keep going. We're going to see. I didn't think it would happen this fast in the second month after the slow month I had, but again, it could build up really quickly. So I hope this momentum stays. Again, I could not get another $100 day for months or weeks, but hopefully this momentum stays up. I keep making videos for this brand. They keep running it. This one brand keeps texting me every day. They saying they want more videos. They just told me today I'm going a little fast because I make 3 at a time though. I just feel like what if the first one I make is bad and I send you that one and you don't like it? So, and then this is a brand now that's going viral with the ads. People are commenting, so I'm making comment videos to the comments. So, it's just a natural way to make videos as a creator. If this was organic and not paid, this is what you would be doing. You'd be making videos and keeping it going. But either way, first $100 day in the books. Let's see if we can get a $200 day, 300 each little milestone, up to one of them like $1,000 days, $500 days, $5,000 days. So what is it? It's been a month and 6 days, so 5 weeks. 5 weeks, first $100 day. Not bad.